Do you know what drinks can boost your kidney health? You might be surprised to learn that the right beverages can make a big difference. Our kidneys play a crucial role in our body, filtering waste and maintaining a healthy balance of water and minerals. Today, we're diving into the world of natural drinks that can enhance your kidney health. We'll be discussing 6 drinks that are not only delicious but also beneficial for your kidneys. Stay tuned to learn about the 6 best natural drinks for your kidneys. First up is the most natural drink of all, water. Essential to life, water plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health. Staying hydrated is key as it allows your kidneys to perform their vital functions effectively. One of these functions includes flushing out toxins and waste from your body. Water also helps in preventing kidney stones, a common ailment, by diluting the substances that cause stone formation. So keep your kidneys happy by keeping yourself hydrated. And next on our list is cranberry juice. A powerhouse of health benefits, cranberry juice is known to help prevent urinary tract infections by preventing bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls. This, in turn, protects the kidneys from the harmful effects of infection. However, be mindful when choosing your cranberry juice. Opt for a bottle that boasts 100% cranberry juice without any added sugar. The natural goodness of cranberries is all you need. Remember, cranberries are not just for Thanksgiving anymore. Our third and fourth drinks are beet juice and lemon juice. These vibrant liquids pack a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. Let's start with beet juice. Deep in color and rich in flavor, beets are known for their potent health benefits. This crimson juice can help lower blood pressure, a key factor in maintaining kidney health. Moreover, beets encourage increased blood flow to the kidneys, ensuring they function at their best. Now let's move on to our fourth drink, lemon juice. This citrus delight can do wonders for your kidneys. Lemon juice helps prevent kidney stones, a common kidney ailment. It does this by increasing the body's citrate levels. Citrate can prevent the formation of crystals, which are the building blocks of kidney stones. So in essence, these 2 juices are more than just tasty beverages. They're also your kidney's best friends. So add some color and flavor to your diet with beet and lemon juices. Last but not least, we have pomegranate juice and apple cider vinegar. Pomegranate juice is a kidney's best friend. This crimson delight can lower blood pressure, which is a significant factor for kidney health. It's packed with antioxidants which help to keep the kidneys healthy and function at their best. It's like giving your kidneys a spa day, but in liquid form. Switching gears to apple cider vinegar, this humble kitchen staple is a real game changer for kidney health. It's known for its ability to help prevent kidney stones, which can be quite a painful experience. It does this by helping to alkalize the body and break down the crystals that form these stones. Not only that, but apple cider vinegar can also help cleanse the kidneys, flushing out toxins and leaving them refreshed. With pomegranate juice and apple cider vinegar, your kidneys will thank you. So there you have it, 6 natural drinks for optimal kidney health. From the hydration powerhouse water, to the antioxidant-rich cranberry and pomegranate juices, each drink brings unique benefits. Don't forget the detoxifying power of beet and lemon juices, and the balancing act of apple cider vinegar. Combined with a balanced diet, these 6 drinks can significantly support your kidney health. Remember, your kidneys are essential to your health, so treat them well with these 6 drinks. Here's to good health.